Hello, beautiful people. Today, as promised, I will be showing you all my Christmas decorations. We got the tree up, we got all of our living room accoutrement put together, and it is spewing Christmas in here. Let's get right into this. So right behind me, as you can hopefully see, is the fancy, schmancy burlap sack from the dollar store. This is the fancy potato sack right here, baby, on the coffee table. We've got the delicious maple cinnamon pancake candle. Ain't that beautiful? It is beautiful. And guess what? It smells beautiful. It smells like breakfast in here all the time. Ooh. This is Baby Groot. Sorry, this video is a little dark. I'm trying to like keep the Christmas ambiance. But this is Baby Groot, and he lives on the TV stand. And he's actually a year-round staple. I just keep him here always. He is a household fan. This little lady is my porcelain Christmas doll, Winston. I'm doing stuff. There was a little incident with her. There is a porcelain tree that goes right here. It has little lights on it and it lights up. Can you not? And somebody, Winston, somebody jumped up on the table when he was excited to go outside and knocked it on the tile. Dick. This beautiful thing, hello, is my Christmas vase. So I finally got it all switched out from my spring stuff. And this is what it looks like. So last year this only had like half the amount of bulbs in it. So I'm actually really glad that I didn't have these little lights until this year, because I feel like it would have just looked too empty, you know? But like I feel like this is perfect. Like I think I finally have it at peak Christmas vase perfection. And then when I put the lights in, I just kind of tied the battery pack into the bow, and now it just sits there, and it's got its little off on switch. And wow, I'm admiring my handiwork here because I've been working on perfecting this vase for like 2 years now, because I am Martha Stewart. And then we have our dining table. So we've got the glittery reindeer, which has to stay over there. I've been told, otherwise it gets glitter in all of the food. And we've got our elf placemats, super cute. This is the rock. He's not a Christmas decoration. He lives on our bar. And lastly, the Christmas tree. Look at those lights. They're built-in lights. This guy is mine. This is my Christmas decoration. He is still trying to be a dentist. Keep working on those dreams, kid. These, if you remember from my Dollarama haul, I got the Munchkin, those little like ceramic Christmas ornaments to paint. And I think she did a really, really good job. We were actually super impressed with her handiwork with these. These are what she thinks are the prettiest of the Christmas decorations, so she shoved them all in one spot behind her dinner chair so that she can look at them. That is our beautiful Christmas tree.
If you vote for me, all of your wildest dreams will come true.
We don't really decorate the outside, but if you want to see some pretty lights, the neighbor's house has lots. That's it, that's all. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you got some decorating inspo. Give this video a thumbs up. If you subscribe to my channel, I will make all of your wildest dreams come true. See you in the next one.